Hello students, so your question is which of the following are known as Panch Tatva of life? So students, before heading ahead, let us know what do we mean by this Panch Tatva. Okay students, so basically this word is taken from the Sanskrit language in which Panch means five and by Tattva we means truth or reality. Okay students, and this Panch Tattva basically represents the five aspects of God or absolute truth. Okay students, so students, if you see air option, it is common among all the four options. So by this approach it is clear that students, out of these five elements, our first element will be air. Okay students, air represents awareness, which means to awake our mind, body and soul. Now our second element will be students fire. Fire represents energy that can be transformed into other types of energy, like every atom has some latent kind of energy present inside. Okay students, so our third element will be earth, which represents students the sense of smell. Okay students, so our fourth element will be students then sky. So students, sky represents consciousness, because students, without it nothing is existent in this world. So students, our last element will be water, and water represents students the truthfulness, caring nature and being strong, so that we can remove all the obstacles of our life. So the correct answer of this question will be students our option number B, that is air, fire, earth, sky and water. So I hope students the explanation of this question is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.